I'm going to show you how to draw your blood out of your fingertip. Here are the items you need to do this procedure. This is the collector. This is the lancet. This is the alcohol swab, and these are the Band-Aids. I found that it is easier to draw blood out of your fingertips standing up. Standing up increases the downward distance between your heart and your fingertip, which increases the blood pressure in your finger. You might want to find a low counter to stand at where your fingers just touch the countertop. If you can't find a low counter, you might step up on a stool. Open the alcohol swab package so that the swab is easily accessible. Open up the 2 Band-Aids and peel one of the protective strips off. Put these in a place where these are easily accessible. Remove the safety pin from the lancet to arm it. Select the finger to prick. Keep in mind that you're going to drip blood from the finger prick into the collection port, and that you will need to hold the lancet to manipulate it. This usually suggests a finger on your non-dominant hand so that you can hold and manipulate the lancet with your dominant hand. Once you have chosen the finger to prick, then you need to choose the position on the finger. Usually the side is best rather than the center. Then consider the positioning of the fingertip as you drip blood from it into the collection port. You want it to be a position that is as comfortable and natural as possible. For me, the ideal finger is the middle finger of my left hand, and the ideal position is the right side of that finger. Open the collector, lay it flat on the table so that the input port is easily accessible. Take the alcohol swab and wipe the surface of the chosen finger. Keep the alcohol swab within easy reach so that you can pick it up and wipe your fingertip with it later. Knead the chosen finger to get blood flowing well. Slightly squeeze the outside of the chosen finger to slightly compress the blood vessels that return blood from the finger that are around the outside of the finger. This creates some blood resistance on the returning blood so that the blood pressure increases in the chosen finger. Take the lancet and position it firmly against the surface of the chosen finger. Push the lancet firmly against the surface of your fingertip till it clicks. Hold it firmly against the surface for 2 to 3 seconds. Remove the lancet, gently knead it, and wipe off the first drop of blood. Then knead the finger till a drop accumulates and contact that drop onto the input port. Wipe it again Let another drop accumulate, and then contact it again to heap up a lot of blood on the input port. When you have it heaped up, take a Band-Aid and bind the puncture. Let the heap of blood slowly saturate into the collection fiber. You should see the blood cells clump together and dam up along the collection fiber. Let it set for about 20 minutes. After about 20 minutes of saturation, take the other Band-Aid and place it over the input port to seal it. Close the collector and seal the back by peeling off the protective strip. Drop it in the mail.